laying down the baselines for a traditional tiered pagoda. Tracing these curved roofs is incredibly satisfying. Once the main structure is locked in, it's all about stabilizing the composition and checking the proportions. Every single level adds to the scale. Keeping the ink lines crisp makes a huge difference before the shading begins. This builds clean texture without cluttering the piece, building the weight from the top down. Watch how these simple parallel strokes give the building a formal, structural look. Patience is everything here. Keeping the spacing uniform creates a perfect illusion of shadow.